Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home. Looking gorgeous, so let's get started. So I'm starting out with some old nails, one already popped off. I'm loving this pink color, by the way, but it is time to do a redo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some acetone and I'm first going to remove the color from my nails. So after I have the color removed from my nails, I'm now going to take my cuticle tool. I'm going to take the other side. It has this flat sort of end of the cuticle tool, and I'm just going to very gently and carefully and slowly take off the nails. And they come off very easily, but you just really want to be gentle and take your time when you're doing this. So after I have my press-on nails off, I'm going to go in with this very soft file. I don't know what grit it is, but I'm going to take this darker end. It's very soft, and I'm just going to gently and lightly buff the surface of my nails to remove any dry glue and to make sure that I have a smooth surface on my nails. Alright, so now the next step is to take my cuticle tool, and I'm just going to very gently, I do all this stuff carefully, especially when I'm working on the cuticles. I'm going to push back my cuticles, and this is the key to getting a professional, gorgeous, and clean looking manicure. It is the cuticles that definitely is a game changer for sure. So now my cuticles are pushed back, and you can see I have some sort of dead skin cuticles hanging out. So I'm just going to take this sort of curved hooked end of my cuticle tool, and I'm going to use that to gently scrape away my cuticles. And you definitely want to be very gentle and careful when you're doing this so that you don't like hurt yourself or anything like that. Alright, so now I have my cuticle scraped off, but you can see that there's a little bit of extra cuticle skin that is hanging, so I'm just going to take my cuticle clippers and I'm going to clip off the cuticles where it is necessary, where it is needed. This definitely took practice for me. If you're not comfortable with this, then maybe skip it, but it definitely took practice for me. I'm very comfortable clipping off my cuticles now, and this is definitely something that's going to help my cuticle, that's really going to help my manicure look really nice. Alright, so now we're to the halfway mark. I'm going to set aside my press-on nails, and so in here I actually have a sheet of paper. I already sized my nails and I know what number I need for each of my nails. I have them in order on this piece of paper, and I'm just going to go in here and line them up so that I can easily take what I need and place them on the correct nails. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clip down my nails to how long I want them. I definitely prefer short nails, but you don't want to cut your nails down so far to where they're noobs, because you want your nails, you want the press-on nails to have, somewhere to stick to. So, don't cut them too short, but cut them down to your desired length. And then I'm going to buff them down just to sort of clean them up. And I'm going to clean my nails with some rubbing alcohol just to disinfect and get rid of any debris before I glue on my press-on nails. All right, so this is the nail glue that I have been using. It is very good. It's the strongest nail glue I have discovered so far. So yes, I like to apply this in a T shape onto my nail. So I'll apply it in like a vertical way on my nail, and then I'll apply it over the top of my nail, because that tends to be where my nails separate. Like first, that tends to be where the nails sort of separate from my press-ons first and pop off. So I'm going to apply them in a T shape, and then that is the key. And then the second key is that is the key to making them last long. And the second key to making them last long is to hold them in place for a long time. You hold them in place for about 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that they are completely dried on the nail. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip off the excess nails. Definitely don't want my nails to be this long personally, so I'm going to go on and clip them down. So after I do that, I like to compare my nails on each hand just to make sure that they're both equal in height and length, I mean. All right, so now that I have my nails done, I'm going to take my nail file and I'm just going to buff them down to make sure that they're even on the tips, and just to, just make sure that they're the shape I want them to be in. All right, so now I'm going to take this soft file again, and sometimes when I do glue my nails on, I'll have a little bit of dried glue on the surface of my nails. So I'm just going to very gently buff the top of my nails, the surface of my nails, just to make sure there's no dried glue and that the surface is smooth and ready for nail polish. So I'm going to take this very nice purple color and I'm going to start painting my nails now. This is the fun part. This is the most satisfying part of the whole process to me. I'm going to paint my nails. I like to sort of do like a dot, and then I like to brush the middle, and then I brush the sides. And then after that, I like to just seal in the ends and go across the top of my nail. All right, so first coat is done, and now I'm going to go in with my second coat. I always do a second coat. And I'm just cleaning up any nail polish that got on my skin. And so now I'm going to go in with this top coat by Sally Hansen. It's a gel-like top coat. I really like it because it has pretty high shine and no LED light is needed. So I'm just going to do my top coat before I go in with my last step. So my last step is to apply some good cuticle oil. This is just to nourish my cuticles and do whatever else the cuticle oil does. But yeah, that is it, you guys. These are my gorgeous professional looking nails done at home. Look at the cuticles. I'm telling you, that is the key to making it look super professional. I love it. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is how I do my nails at home. I've been loving this way of doing my nails. I tried going to the salon and doing that. The reason I don't like actually going to the nail salon to get manicures, I go for getting pedicures. I love going for getting pedicures, but manicures, one thing is I don't think it's worth the money. And also you will be in the salon all day. And it's very expensive. Like, I don't think the money is worth it for the hands because my nails would always chip, crack. So I tried to start to do my nails at home. I did shellac. Shellac is really nice, just on the natural nail. It's really nice, but it peels off within like 4 days. Not good. So I tried dip powder. That my nails would crack, and like my nails would crack within a week. Like within 3-4 days, my nails would crack. I wasn't a fan of that. And also the powder, it's just the chemicals, I had a bad reaction to them. So dip powder, no, I probably did that 2 times. I was like, it's not working. I tried polygel. Polygel was by far my favorite method that I tried for a while, but it still wasn't lasting as long as I wanted it to last. And the look that I got wasn't consistent. You know, I'm not a nail pro, so it wasn't consistent. Sometimes my nails would look good, sometimes they didn't. So I was like, and also they didn't last a long time. I need my nails to last at least a week. And they did not, they rarely did that. So I tried this way of doing my nails, and my nails will literally last a week and a half to 2 weeks, and I think they look very good. I think they look very natural. It's very easy. I get a consistent look. I like that I can just use nail polish and have whatever color I want. This is my favorite way of doing my nails. It's the simplest way. I think it's the most affordable way in all the ways I've tried too. And I think it also requires the less amount of like equipment and like tools and things like that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite way of getting your nails done is, and also leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you all next time. Bye.